Here we will write a Python program to find sum of two numbers using non-parameterized constructor. So first we'll open the IDLE, then we'll add new file, and in comment line we'll write program description. So first we'll define class, then we'll define constructor. So def init self, since we are using non-parameterized constructor, and here we'll define two variables. So self.x equal to 10 and self.y equal to 20. Then we'll define method total with self, and here we'll calculate addition of these two numbers. So z equal to self.x plus self.y, and we'll print the total. Then we'll create object of our class addition, and we'll call the method total from that class. Then we will save it as sum of number 1.py, and we will execute it. It will print addition of two numbers as 30. Here values of x and y are initialized inside the constructor.